this edition of Yinzer Fishing. We're at the Fire and Ice Festival in Lititz, PA. It's kind of early, too many people yet, but the pace is picking up. Oh yeah, I like the poodle. Oh, cool. Man, a lot of ice gets wasted to make one of these, huh? So what is that? Oh, that's cool. To figure out what that is, it looks like maybe it's a wolf howling at the moon. Oh yeah. Peace out. Still got the trees out. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's nice. I like that. Those pastries look good. There's little chocolate things there. Yeah, so this was a great place to have breakfast. Yep. Someone in Lititz loves you. This is where I always make my stop when I bike the Lititz. I just have a small beer. Got a real ice bar. Ah, cool. Looks like a Cupid, huh? Oh yeah, that's really cool. Oh, it's a sidecar back there. That's what it is, huh? That's a squirrel, yeah. Big gorilla. Oh yeah. Sure does. I like the dolphins. That's cool. Oh, that's really awesome. Oh yeah. It's like a pretty cold seat there. and Thor and Captain America. Aren't you glad I'm here to interpret this for you? Oh, is that what these are? Pikachus? They must be. Yeah, I'm not gonna duck down in there. No. I think it works for the kids. They seem pretty happy. Always like the caboose. Oh, it's a chef, huh? I wonder if they make them. I guess they must make them, huh? Never have enough chocolate. It's a butterfly, huh? I don't know what it is.
You have to look at every minute.
You do, I know.
Oh yeah. Yeah, what's the 20?
Like the icing here. Sorry.
2 hearts. It's really nice.